Congratulations! Your loan is conditionally approved. A SunWest loan originator is always on top of her approvals, no matter where she is. Break free with Morgan.
Welcome to The Interest. I'm Sarah Wolak. It's summertime, and while it was a lackluster spring buying season, builder confidence is growing. The supply and demand seesaw we've been on for the past year is finally beginning to balance. The housing market, battling a supply drought for nearly a year, has created a resurgence in builder sentiment into optimistic territory for the first time since July 2022. The National Association of Home Builders attributes the robust demand to a scarcity of pre-existing inventory and enhanced supply chain proficiency. The NAHB and Wells Fargo Housing Market Index recorded a 5-point rise in builder confidence to a score of 55 for June, marking the sixth straight month that builder confidence has increased, and the first time it surpassed the midpoint of 50 back in July 2022. Need more proof that things are turning the corner? The Mortgage Bankers Association Builder Application Survey data for May 2023 shows mortgage applications for new home purchases increased 16.6% compared from a year ago. Applications increased by 8% from April 2023. But homebuyer sentiment is not there yet. According to a USA Today poll, 64% of those surveyed are ready for a recession if it means they are better able to afford a home. Coming up, find out what hidden fees regulators are looking to squash.
People talking, but they just don't know. It's in my heart why I love you so. I love you, baby, like a mine of love gold. Come on, sugar, let the good times roll.
Join us in New Orleans July 11th for Ultimate Mortgage Expo at Hotel Monteleone. Make connections with the best in the industry that will elevate your career to new levels.
A lot of people live in make-believe. They keep a lot going up their sleeve. But baby, my love ain't the kind that folds. Come on, sugar, let the good times roll.
Ultimate Mortgage Expo, the Gulf Coast's ultimate gathering for mortgage professionals. Go to nmplink.com/ultimate and register today for free with promo code NMPFREE.
Welcome back. The folks over at the CFPB have been busy. Last year, they received 29,000 complaints for some questionable charges by mortgage servicers and landlords. Let's find out what they plan to do about them.
Uncle Sam is going hard after what it deems to be unconscionable, if not illegal, junk fees, particularly in the servicing and rental sectors. Things like charging the maximum late fee allowed by state law, even though the borrower's mortgage contract capped the charges below the state limits. Sending inspectors to addresses known to be incorrect and charging customers for each visit, including monthly private mortgage insurance premiums that borrowers did not owe. Failing to waive fees that were forbidden by law for borrowers entering some loss mitigations. The CFPB received some 29,000 mortgage complaints last year. In 95% of these gripes, consumers reported they attempted to resolve their issues before resorting to seeking help from the government. If you thought that was bad, garbage fees from landlords are even worse. A recent report from the National Consumer Law Center lists 16 gotcha charges renters face when they try to keep and find apartments. For example, nearly all property managers charge application fees, which they use to pay for credit reports and criminal background checks. But the charges slide into garbage territory when they are not refundable and are completely over the line when the reports can't be used to apply at other properties. NMP insider Lou Sickelman has more about the government crackdown on junk fees in the June issue of National Mortgage Professional magazine, which can be found at nmpmag.com. For The Interest, I'm Christine Stewart.
Thanks, Christine. For more on these and all of today's top stories, go to nationalmortgageprofessional.com.